This is a brief introduction to graphic file formats. Graphic file formats can be divided into two format categories, vector art and bitmap art. Bitmap art is further divided into two format categories, lossy and lossless. We'll first explore vector art. Vector art can be scaled to any size without loss of quality because the images are actually mathematical representations of points and lines. Vector art always has a transparent background, so it can be moved close to text. Computer fonts themselves are actually a type of vector graphic. The main advantages to vector art are they're scalable to any size, the image is always re-editable, and the file size is much smaller than bitmaps. The disadvantages to vector art are it does not have the photorealism of bitmaps, there's a higher degree of skill required to create graphics, and small errors in drawings can become large when increased in size. These are some of the computer applications and native file types used in the creation of vector art. Bitmap art differs from vector art in that pixels combine to form an image. Scaling the image depends on the original resolution of the file. An image that begins at a low resolution will become pixelated and look bad when enlarged. A bitmap's background is not automatically transparent. Transparency depends on using the correct file type and setting the correct alpha channels. The main advantages to bitmap art are photorealistic images, it's easy to edit and manipulate, and it works with web pages. The disadvantages are the file size is large, the wrong resolution can look bad, and there's JPEG degeneration causing artifacts. Bitmap art is further divided into two types of file, lossy and lossless. A lossy file type compresses the image by intelligently removing pixels to reduce file size. This causes a degeneration of quality after multiple saves. A lossless file does not compress the image. It is larger, but the quality stays the same no matter how many times it's saved. These are some of the applications and their native formats used to create bitmap art. All of these programs can open and save many other bitmap file types. Many programs combine vector and bitmap images. These are just some of the applications. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps when you're deciding on what graphic type to use for your next project.